Drivers, please come to a stop. Last thing we need is for that bumper to come up into the driver's compartment, into the driver's feet. We like demolition derby. Yes, we are purposely getting in a car accident every 60 seconds. But we want you to be able to go to work tomorrow. Waiting for flags up around the ring. How's this heat been, Huntsville? You like what you're seeing? Give me a count from 5. Let's go! 77 is a black flag. We got a crowd on the 808. We're going to miss from the 420. David Brooks from the 367 on the 624. The back end is right into the back seat. Red flag, drivers, red flag. We got another bumper on the track. It might be Tom's rear bumper. Now you can tell that Tom's used to doing this when the back tires are in the back seat. Now I think they normally refer to it as banger racing where he's from, and normally the whole back end comes up in the air. Flags up, can you count for 3? Let's go! We got the count on to number 95. We got a count on to 10-15. Come to a stop, drivers. We got another bumper on the track. We got another bumper on the track. I know we enjoy having fun, but I think you guys need those. Maybe a little bit extra weld or a little bit more wire next time, my friends. No more bumpers, hey, I agree. But that's up to the drivers to build them. It just means that they gotta strap them on a little bit tighter. fun. The back end is definitely where you think it should be, right? Okay, flags up. 3. Let's go. Big hit for the 95 on the 32. You got the 003 still moving. The 420 was trying to move. We got the one on the 32. Uh-oh. Got a soft spot. We got the 1015 moving around. We got the count on the 420. We got a count on the 003. And the 624. If only you have a friend left in the ring to come give him a nudge. The 32 is down to the frame. I got count on the 003 of 420. He's buried right to the subframe. We got a count on the 32. 420's just been counted out. Count on the 624. We're down to 4. We've got the 003, the 95. 32 is taking 4th. 32 is taking 4th, advancing to the feature. Please. 1, we have a bumper on the track. Ooh, that one's shattered. Looks like somebody skipped twice in the middle of the ring too. Looks like it was one of those glow-in-the-dark neon things. I know she's all pumped up, but I just want to make sure you're okay, because that was one heck of a hit. You good? Yeah? Okay. Well, your left front tire's a little flat. Okay, you're still making? Okay. Well, your bumper's precariously parked this way. That's okay, well, it's still running. It's still running. Just try to use this corner. Are we having fun? Sort of, kind of? No, not a good day. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, it's having one of those issues again. That's when you get it, you take it. And then it'll start right up. I know you've been trying. We're in cold water on Friday. We got the number 27 out. We've got the 1215 has been block flagged for driver safety. His door plate is kind of precariously parked at the front tire. Not on the door where it should be. Well, we tried telling drivers how to help build their cars and going through a structural component like the A or the B pillar, so it's not going to move. We got flags up around the ring. Huntsville, give me a count from 3. Let's go! 99. Nose to nose of the 2009 is 69. Down on the number 007 and 19. Big hit for the 15. If you like what you're seeing, let these drivers win! 99 is just down the road. Leading in a most of the 2009. Black flag falling on the 69. 19 has been crowded out. Black flag falling on the 19. Big hit from the 15 on the backside. I see 5 cars still moving, 5 cars still moving. The number 4, the number 15, the 2007, the 007, the 2009, and the M77. X77 hit the backside of the 2009. We got a count on the 2009. Count on the 15. We got the number 15 under the count on the far side of the ring. Count on the number 4 at the 2009. Black flag falling on the 15. We are down to 4, down to 4. Top 4 drivers move on to the feature. We are down to 4. Number 4 is taking 4th. 77 is taking 3rd. We're down to 2. We got the 07 and the 007 and the 2009. We're just going to go and confirm with the driver of the 2009. We got the 2009 taking second. Heat winner, the 007. Let's hear for these drivers.